Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. China withdraws engineers from Foxconn's iPhone facilities in India. Comes under GS2 international relation. China has withdrawn 300 engineers from Foxconn iPhone 17 facilities in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Over 300 Chinese engineers withdrawn. China imports export restriction on rare earth elements, which includes gallium, germanium, graphite, vital for electric vehicles and electronics. Informal trade curbs on capital equipment and specialized machineries introduced via delays and verbal orders. China aims to retain its dominance in high value manufacturing and prevents India's self sufficiency. India's dependency on imports and nascent manufacturing ecosystems make it vulnerable. Rare earth elements. Rare earth elements are group of 17 chemical elements. They comprises 15 lanthanide elements along with scandium and yttrium. They are relatively abundant in earth crust. They are rare because they found in low concentration mixed with other elements, other minerals, making them difficult and expensive to extract. Applications were wind, electric vehicles, wind turbines, weapons, etc. Types of REE divided into heavy rare earth element and light rare earth element. Misleading names. Rare earth elements are abundant in earth crust but are rarely found and concentrated, economically viable for making extraction challenging. Severe flood in Uttarakhand. Disaster management comes GS3. Severe flood in Uttarkashi district, triggered by torrential monsoon rains, has led to massive destruction and casualties. Causes torrential rain from August 3 to 5 caused flash flood in Khera Ganga River in Uttarkashi. Preliminary cause were 30 centimeter rainfall in day and active monsoon over North India. Classification labeled as cloudburst by state officials despite IMD's lack of real-time radar data at high altitude. Cloudburst is an extreme amount of precipitation in a short duration, often exceeding 100 mm of rain in hour over a small area, leading to flash flood. Impact: at least 4 dead, 60 feet missing. The flood struck Darali town at 8,600 feet altitude, damaging hotels, homes. Meteorological and geographical conditions responsible for cloudbursts. High moisture content in monsoon means orographic lifting. Supreme Court's observation on Rahul's defamation case comes under GS2 Polity and Governance Court proceedings. A bench led by Justice Dipankar Datta stayed proceedings on defamation against Rahul Gandhi. The judge remarked, "True Indian would not make such comments, suggesting a valuable value judgment beyond legal adjudication." Concerned court's remarks, though not binding, could chill legitimate dissent. 2020 Galwan Valley clash, the first fatal confrontation between India and China in 45 years. Location: is present in eastern Ladakh near line of actual control in Axiachin region. Close to Darbak Shayok Daulat Beg Odi Road. Proximity to Axiachin occupied by China but claimed by India. Impact on border management: exposed gaps in surveillance and infrastructure, led to multiple rounds of military talks and buffer zone. With India's carbon market set to launch in 2026, biochar is emerging as promising carbon dioxide removal technology. Comes under GS3 Environment and Ecology. 600 million plus tons of agri residue. India produces over 600 million tons. Tons of municipal waste. India produces 60 million tons of waste, municipal solid waste annually. 1 gigaton of CO2 potential e-waste annual carbon removal using 30 to 50% of surplus waste. Biochar production and benefits. Using 30 to 50% of surplus waste, producing 50 to 26 million tons of biochar, remove 1 gigatons of carbon dioxide annually. Syngas, bio oil or byproducts of that can replace coal and diesel, reducing imports. Agriculture benefits were improved soil health, increased crop yield, reduced fertilizer use. Construction benefits, 2 to 5% of the acre or concrete can be improved strength. What is biochar? Biochar is a stable carbon rich charcoal produced by pyrolysis of biomass. Improves soil fertility, reduces need for chemical fertilizers, prevents double burning, increases crop yield, reduces soil acidity. Climate change mitigation, act as carbon sink. Please practice this mark question. Thank you.